So welcome to Kunming in Yunnan province, another eternal spring city, and I think this one might be the real deal because look at this weather. Last time you saw me I had 3 layers on and now I'm down to half a layer, so that speaks volumes. Just 2 days ago in Shangri-La I was absolutely freezing and I was suffering as well, and so I'm very happy that experience is finished. Now it's just good times ahead as far as I can see. Eternal spring. I was in Dali yesterday and really loved that too. Similar climate to here as well. And so Dali and Kunming, possibly my favorite parts of China so far. And what I really love about it is it's got more of a Southeast Asian feel. Half China, half Southeast Asia. And you know how I feel about Southeast Asia. And if you don't, I love it. And I'm yet to really, dig deep on it. So I'm very happy to be here and explore. And that's what we're here for. Not to listen to me ramble, but we're heading to a market. Zhuanxin Market, and it's a local market, and yeah, I think it's going to be good. Fingers crossed. All right, it's that way. Let's get walking. Ni hao. Can I have one with the century egg, this, everything, I don't know what it's called. Okay, I pay on Alipay. Okay, you mind if I film you to make it? Yeah, 谢谢, 谢谢. Yeah, chili. Everything. I wish I knew what you were saying. Okay, 15 sheep. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. No, thank you. So I found a quiet spot just outside the market, and I'm pretty excited about this. Now I know I had this before, I think it was in Chengdu, but this just looks so legit, and maybe a Yunnan take on it. So it's the roasted eggplant with capsicum, century egg. They put some cucumber in there, red onions, garlic, ginger, some herbs, some sawtooth coriander I can see. So there's plenty going on in there, and that is going to be maximum flavor. I filmed the whole thing, so I'm gonna try to recreate this one at home, I think. Now this has a lemon kick as well. I remember she put half a lemon in there, and that has a strong citrus. That makes it, welcome to China. That makes it even more beautiful. And look at that with the century egg there. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness. So I saw them put some chili in as well. It's not too spicy, it's got a little bit of a kick, but maximum flavor. This definitely tastes different to the Szechuan version. Is it Szechuan or is it from Yunnan? I ate it at a Yunnan restaurant in Perth, but I ate it in Chengdu, in Szechuan, in China. But this is definitely different. This is a Yunnan variety. I'm convinced of it because of that citrus, that strong lemon flavor. And different, is it better? I don't know, it's good. I really like them both. So it definitely has more of a Southeast Asian vibe, but why? So maybe the lemon, maybe the sawtooth coriander. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just the weather. Okay. $27? All right, round two. We've got, I think this is ghost chicken. Did a tiny bit of research in between buying it and speaking to you. This has what looks like some braised chicken, sawtooth coriander, peanuts, sesame seeds, chili, bunch of other stuff. Can you remember what she put in there? Similar kind of flavor profile to what was going in the last dish I had, the eggplant dish, I think. And it's cold as well. So let's try. Do you get that big hit of lemon? This is quite spicy as well, and just so much flavor. Back in the land of the flavor. Wow, this is flipping delicious. This is actually in kind of a larb territory, I guess. Different flavor profile to larb, but that kind of fresh, punchy salad that's heavily based on meat. Wow, another winner. And of course, larb from Laos is not too far from here. So you can see that flavor profile of the region coming through in this cuisine. I can't believe it. I've found another part of Southeast Asia, and Southeast Asia is the best. These punchy, cold meat salads, I'm just addicted to them. And my mouth is a little bit on fire, not gonna lie. Oh, it's a winner. It's a winner. I've had two dishes and both of them are new to me and both of them are amazing. What a great place. What a great market, hey? Apologies for the red hue, I'm under this red umbrella, but who cares, right? We've got, it's not halloumi, it is Rubing cheese from Yunnan, and it is a goat cheese. Look at that, fried just like halloumi. I wonder if it's squeaky too. Let's find out. Delicious, similar mouthfeel to halloumi, but doesn't have that squeakiness, so it is a bit softer, but also it's lacking a salt. So that halloumi has that nice salty kind of flavor, similar to feta, I guess, though it did come with this spice mix, I guess. Not too sure what it is. Let's find out. Ni hao. Come say hi. Too shy. So I wonder if you can see that spice blend on there. Let's have a go. So this spice blend is a combination of salt, Szechuan peppercorns, and chili, and I'm sure some other things, possibly MSG. Actually really makes it, because it was lacking that salt, but there it is, spot on. Absolutely delicious. So yeah, I associate cheese, of course, with Europe, but there's definitely parts in Asia where you can get cheese too. And Yunnan is one of them, which I'm so happy to discover, because, I mean, who doesn't like cheese, right? And this is as close as you're going to get to halloumi in Asia. Except it's not halloumi, it's Rubing cheese. Absolutely divine. What a feast I'm having so far. Firstly, a shout out to my DJI Pocket. Look at this thing. Look at that. Framing on the fly, absolutely beautiful. That gimbal, oh my God. Mwah. Now, flower cake. This is another Yunnan specialty. If I break it open, I think it's just gonna fall apart, so I'm just gonna take a bite. Really good, so flaky, this pastry, and then the mix is a sweet mix with flower petals. Not sure the type of flower. I'm more of a food guy than a flower guy, but yeah, absolutely delicious. Tastes like rose, right? Flaky, a little bit buttery as well. Absolutely divine. Kunming, Yunnan, you keep giving me gifts. Amazing. So cheap too. 3 yuan. When I discover places like Zhuanxin Market in Kunming, I think what a absolute dream. It's one of the best markets I've found in China so far. And it makes me think, gee, I wish I didn't have such a pathetically small stomach, but it is what it is. Lovely day, and the food I ate today was absolutely divine. I could probably make another 5 or 6 episodes in this market alone. It's got a real vibe to it. The people are so friendly, it's buzzing, it's, you know, it's for the locals. It's got a bit of everything, so really loving it. I did see some durian, so maybe after this sign off I might go back and sneak a little bit of durian. My policy is buy on site. So yes, it's got to be done. Wonderful city. So far, I've only been here for a day, but I'm definitely going to come back and explore this region. You know, I wasn't even going to come to Yunnan, but then I got some good reports about it, and so I changed my plans, got on a plane and flew to Lijiang. Yeah, and Yunnan has just been something very special about it. Like I said, Southeast Asian vibes. I'll have only had a week here, so I haven't seen too much of it, and I'm definitely going to come back and explore this region in a lot more detail. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Take it easy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh no. What is it?
好吃，直接吃。
Just eat it. All right, I've been given a bug in Yunnan from this gentleman, so I got to do the honourable thing. I don't know what kind of bug it is. It looks like a dragonfly without its wings. I think it's a cricket. Oh wow, they've got live crickets here too. Interesting. Shasha, thank you so much. They got more here. There you go, that's what it is. It's a cricket.
Yunnan 18块。
Try to mix. So we'll try to add some of this without dropping it every. Oh, be careful.